I'm on the tail end of tropical storm, hurricane slash whatever, Bertha. And I just finished my job down here at Carolina Beach. And it's just stopped raining and the wind is blowing 21 miles per hour, 35.7 gusts. That's very strong. I've got 2 new kites. I've got a Quantum 2 from Prism and also have a Prism Bora 7. And I brought them with me. Neither one of them have seen the sky yet. So we're gonna go out to the beach and check it out. I just don't think there's going to be enough room for the stunt kite. It's 85 feet of line and it's just too tight here. I'm gonna get the Bora out though, because I gotta fly something. All right, this is my first experience with a single line full kite. Nice, I like that. Feels very smooth, kind of silky, and that's got some great pull. It kind of goes up at a nice angle there and stays there. Yeah, I can see how the GoPro would work really good on this. Am I recording? Hi. I love it. It's going to be a great camera rig. The idea, I'm going to get the Bora up in the air with the GoPro, fly the stunt kite underneath it and get a nice downward view. Quite a bit of work pulling her in. I think it's time to maybe put the GoPro on there. You go up there. You there. All right, I've got my picavet all set up here. Let out a little bit more line. Well, the winds are still pushing 30 miles an hour. And I think I went through one battery. I got one battery left. Should I get out the stunt kite, Quantum 2? Still a lot of people on the beach, not a lot of room. I'm gonna go back to the van, have a snack, and check my parking, and then we'll see.